Hey Sunny family, I'm so glad to have you here with me, Coach Sam Candler, for our 5-minute Tabata gluten hamstring focused workout. This is part of this series we have of mini bite-sized workouts designed to get you in and out quick and on with your day. These are great for your physical body. They're also great for your mind. They can help really kick you from a rough day into a great day, just like that. So for today, all we need are 2 dumbbells. Now you may choose not to use dumbbells at all, but I do want you to have the option. We're gonna do a Tabata style workout, which means we're gonna work out for 20 seconds, rest for 10. We're gonna repeat that 8 times, and we're gone. So are you ready to start? We're gonna start with warm-up deadlifts. So I'm gonna use both of my dumbbells here, and they should feel really light for a deadlift. And then on my deadlift here, I'm just gonna bend my knees as I hinge my hips back and stand all the way tall. My chest is open, my shoulders are back, and these dumbbells are just traveling along the lines of my legs. Now, they don't need to go all the way down to the ground. Maybe your deadlift is just down to your knees, just like this, and that's great. But what we're doing here is warming up the glutes and the hamstrings on the back side of our legs. And I want you to keep going with that while I show you the only 2 exercises you need to know for today. One is called a Romanian deadlift. We're gonna keep your legs mostly straight as we hinge your hips back and allow your hands to travel down the front of your legs and then stand up, squeezing your glutes. Right down here, right up. This is all about kicking your hips behind you. Exercise 2 is a split squat. It looks a lot like a lunge, but our feet stay planted where they are. We're gonna bend both knees and pull your hips back, and then straighten both knees. We repeat. And then we're done. You ready? Romanian deadlift, start right now. I'm gonna stand to the side so you can see. This is all about trying to knock something over behind you with your glutes. Now, depending on your flexibility, you may only go this far, and that's totally okay. I have pretty long hamstrings, so I'm able to travel a little lower. We have 3, 2, 1. Then we're gonna do right side split squats, which means our right foot is gonna be forward. And in 3 seconds, we're gonna pull our hips back, bend both knees, and then straighten both knees. So by pulling our hips back, we're creating a bit of a hinge, which keeps the work in the glutes and hamstrings rather than solely in the quads. That's it. Nice and controlled. 3, 2, 1. 10 seconds of rest, we're gonna do it all again. This time, I'm gonna face right at you for our Romanian deadlifts. They start in 3, 2, 1, let's go. So notice that I have my shoulders back, my chest is open, and while I'm looking at you most of the time, ideally, you're keeping your head and neck neutral, looking straight down at the ground at the bottom. And then straight ahead at the top, we have 4, 3, 2, 1. Left side split squats coming up. So I'll face you again so you can see how my legs are like railroad tracks, each staying on their own side. And here we go. We hinge those hips back, and then we're up. Let's try to stay on our back toes as high, like we're wearing really high heels, as high as we can. And then we're gonna keep most of our weight in our front heel. That's it. Chest is open. 3, 2, 1. Good. Back to our Romanian deadlifts. We're already halfway done with this glute and hamstring workout. Romanian deadlifts, let's go. Now you may feel better with your arms by your sides, and that's perfectly acceptable. Or you may feel like you want no weights at all. You can just practice that hip hinge. You'll still feel your hamstring stretch here, and then contract on the way up. You have 3, 2, 1. Good. All right, you starting to feel the backs of your legs really firing up? You feeling your heart rate rise? Come to the right place, let's go. Right leg forward, split squats. That's it. Try to be as tall as you can at the top. Both legs go straight. There we go. And even though I'm pressing through my front heel, all 5 of my toes on that foot are on the ground. 3, 2, 1. All right, last round of our Romanian deadlifts. Weight or no weight, you do you. Let's go, 20 seconds. Now you may have a wide stance here. You may not have a narrow stance. We're all built just a little bit differently. So do what feels best for you. Get to know yourself, play around with different foot positions. That's it. 3, 2, 1. We have one more 20-second interval coming up. Left leg forward, right leg back. Here we go. So as we round out this Tabata style workout, I want you to think about all you accomplished in such a short amount of time. You showed up for yourself and got a lot of work done in a very, very concise time frame. Well done. 3, 2, 1. You did it. Those glutes and those hamstrings got a good deal of work, so let's stretch them out. We're just gonna kick one leg forward. Hinge your hips back. Feel a good solid stretch down the back of your leg. You have hamstrings, but Coach Sam here, I have hamstrings. We'll switch sides. Thank you so much for spending these 5 minutes with me. If you are hungry for more bite-sized workouts, check out the rest of our Tabata series on our YouTube channel. I'll see you then.